Hello everyone, Oliver from Scholarcy here. In this short tutorial, we're going to take a look at how you can create a literature synthesis matrix using Scholarcy. Let's take a look how. Begin by selecting the articles you wish to export. Click on the Select button and click the checkbox of every article you wish to export. Click the Select All button to select every item in the page. Click Export and then select Excel from the drop-down list. Click Download to generate the synthesis matrix. Open the Excel file to view the synthesis matrix. All the information from the structured summary will be transformed into a convenient matrix which you can use to compare the study findings and methodologies between different articles. You can investigate the cited articles in the research comparison sections by clicking the linked cell. This will open up a web page with a short synopsis of the cited work. You can filter between the results in your literature matrix by adding slicers within Excel. Start by adding a new line above the matrix and create some more space. Click into the matrix and then click Table in the ribbon menu at the top of the screen. Now click Add Slicer and then select the options you'd like to include. For this example, I chose the author, journal, year, keywords, and citation count. Arrange the slices at the top of the screen so that they're easily accessible. Click any of the options from the slicers to filter through your literature matrix. You can clear suggestions if you want to change your choice, or even add multiple if you see fit. You should now be able to transform a collection of articles into an easily accessible literature matrix. Give it a go, let us know how you get on, and thank you very much for watching.